I saw all these aged faces around me, some with patches on their eyes, some of course had recovered from surgery. But what I saw in each of those faces was the intense delight in their once faded eyes, which could once again see the colors all around them.
Hello friends, I am Eye Care. And this is how my day begins every day of the year, reaching out to life, to humanity. The faces might change, but the soul remains the same. The language unchanged of service to sight. I came into being in 1983 under the aegis of Ishwar Charitable Trust in an outhouse of the residence of Dr. Sushil Chaudhary. Weekend visits and OPD at nearby slums soon became popular, and a bigger and better facility was needed to handle the acute demand for the state-of-the-art eye care services for the poor and needy.
In the urban area, the ratio of eye surgeon to the population is 1 in 20,000, while in rural area, it is 1 eye surgeon for 250,000 of population. It is not possible for the Indian government to meet the gigantic problem by itself. NGOs have to come in a big way to help at different levels.
Since its establishment, Eye Care has been providing community services to the rural India. There are around 16 centers which are screening centers and pickup centers in states of UP, Rajasthan, Haryana and Delhi. The main aim is to provide affordable, accessible and quality eye care services to the unreached population of rural India.
Eye Care sees no reason why the quality of ophthalmic services should be decided by the patient's pocket and not what the disease demands. Our philosophy is to provide high quality ophthalmic services and to be a center of excellence to all. We also specially seek areas that are ill-served and provide outreach facilities. Now by facilities, I don't mean the best you can do in a compromised situation, let's help them a little bit, but we strive to give them the very best.
These centers are chosen on the basis of need of the area and also the availability or non-availability of eye care services. Level of services has been increased so that there is a greater emphasis on health education, which is for health promotion, prevention of disease, and also sensitizing people about the newer challenges facing India, which are the silent killers like diabetes, glaucoma, and childhood problems.
I have known Dr. Sushil Chaudhary for 30 years, since the time I joined BHEL and he started looking after all problems relating to the eyes of not only myself but my entire family. I was therefore very happy when in 1993 he started Eye Care in Noida, a hospital meant for charity as well as for treating individuals and corporate patients. Over the years, the hospital has grown, and I was delighted when he invited me to join his board of trustees about 5 or 6 years ago. I've seen the hospital progress in terms of technology, equipment, and the scope of business. And a major transformation has taken place in terms of the facilities, so that even those who are charitable patients are today able to get treatment and accommodation and other facilities which are as good as are available to patients in any paying hospital anywhere in the country.
Here, we believe in a comprehensive eye examination. Every patient walking into our OPD is subjected to a thorough examination process to pick up diseases of the retina and glaucoma, which are asymptomatic. Most of the times, the patient have these diseases and they don't even realize something is happening in the eyes. And if these diseases are picked up in time, irreversible blindness can be prevented. We have 9 super specialty departments in the hospital, and patients requiring any further treatment after the initial examination are referred to these 9 super specialty clinics. These clinics include the glaucoma clinic, the cornea and the eye bank, the oculoplasty, the retina and the uvea clinic, the pediatric and squint, besides the large cataract unit and the refractive center at our hospital. Each department is equipped with the latest state-of-the-art technology to take care of our patients.
To carry the high standards of ophthalmology into future generations, iCare has a training institute. 4 students are taken into iCare every year to train medically and surgically in ophthalmology. They give a national level examination at the end of the training period, and this enables them to qualify as ophthalmologists. Other aspects of training in iCare includes the ophthalmic nursing assistant training, which helps the community services wing. Technological advances in ophthalmology, as in other fields of medicine, necessitates that even qualified ophthalmologists need to be trained in advanced techniques of surgery and other aspects of ophthalmology. Here, the short-term and long-term fellowship programs come into play. Trained ophthalmologists are taken in here in iCare for phacoemulsification, extracapsular cataract surgery, and other aspects of ophthalmic surgical program in which they may be found lacking. This enables iCare to make its contribution in the field of ophthalmology for the benefit of the community in general. iCare has an affiliation with Indira Gandhi National Open University to train young students as optometrists.
I would like to inherit the rich and dedicated working culture of iCare and imbibe the professional knowledge and skills in both medical as well as surgical ophthalmology, which I've learned here. And I'm very sure this will help me transform from a budding ophthalmologist to a well-trained professional in future.
I must say that all the staff, all the specialists in this hospital are very kind and compassionate, and they take extremely good care whether you are a rich paying patient or you are a poor person from the rural area.
मेरा नाम लता, मैं भौंडसी से आई हूँ यहाँ पे। हम एक कंपनी में काम करते थे, वहाँ पे जो बहुत बड़ी काम थे, इसी वजह से नज़र बहुत कमज़ोर हो गई मेरी। कई जगह मैंने आँख चेक कराई तो वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा बताया, 6-7 हज़ार 8 हज़ार के करीब खर्चा बताया। मेरे पास इतना पैसा नहीं था, फिर किसी ने बताया आई के हॉस्पिटल है वहाँ पे सेंटर, उसमें आप जाओ। मैं यहाँ पे आई तो यहाँ पे आके मेरी आँख चेक हुई, बिल्कुल फ्री मुफ्त में, किसी बात के कोई वो नहीं हुई। फिर मुझे यहाँ से अपनी गाड़ी से लेके गए हॉस्पिटल, वहाँ से उन्होंने खूब बढ़िया मेरे हर चीज़ की वहाँ पे सुविधा, किसी बात की कोई परेशानी नहीं हुई, और अपनी गाड़ी में वहाँ पे छोड़ के गए। गरीब आदमी के लिए बहुत बढ़िया ये खुला है, और ऐसे और भी कोई 2-4 और खुल जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया हो जाए, गरीब आदमी अपना जी सके।
It is indeed a great success story, not only of the hospital, but of the man who built the hospital, Dr. Sushil Chaudhary. He had a commitment, he had a vision, he had the dedication to build the hospital to provide free cataract surgeries to poor old people to regain their eyesight. HelpAge India, with which I am well connected, feels greatly privileged to have been of help to Eye Care Hospital during its journey over the last 15 years.
81 I lost my mother, left a very small policy, life policy of 5,000 rupees which I didn't want to touch. So I made a trust in her name, and with those 5,000 rupees started charity work. So this particular project has now evolved in a similar manner on a very big scale at Eye Care. It is now one of the biggest facility in North India, and we are doing more than 11,000 surgeries, out of which 70% today are free of cost. We cannot imagine the amount of blindness and poverty which is there. Just for want of 15 minutes operation, so many people are blind in India.
This hospital is doing a great service to the community. I think it deserves support from the corporate sector and the community so that this work can progress and grow. I wish Dr. Chaudhary, his staff and all his doctors all the best in the coming years.
Old friends leave with new vision in their eyes to take in and live the myriad colors of life. And new friends stay back to look into the same world with a vision full of compassion and clarity. That's my day, my life, every day, cherishing each and every moment as I stand here, thriving on the vision which bonds us all as humans, as stakeholders to the betterment of humanity. Welcome to Eye Care.